commentary.
Brent the Buoy over here waiting for a good swell. However, I don't know if he's going to find it because he's quite not out at the point break. But, you know, he's just going to hang out there and, yeah, look for I don't know.
I thought about it.
I don't know that he's going to take it. He's sit out there because it's kind of cool. But,
that little girl would have staked him anyway.
I don't think he's not ready for tournament time. They're not ready for the tournament. Yeah, big YMA out here, you know. He's making the adjustment, looking for the. It's kind of flat out there. Who's gonna get the first one? Who's gonna get the first one? Here we go. Oh, where's the spot? Oh, wait. Ready to battle. Oh, I think he sees it. He's peeking. He sees it. He's working hard. He's battling forward. Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? Oh, wait. I think he's got a good position. Good inside position. Gonna paddle. Good inside position. Here we go. He's got it. Can he make it up? Oh, there you go! God, he's a
He should give it up now because that's a pinnacle. We got it on tape.
That's a high. Give it up. Give it up. That's right.
Yeah. Pretty fly for a white guy. Dan's gonna help me. Reel it in. Bring the stick, baby. Bring the stick.
Yeah. It was back in like 10 minutes.
And this way. I'll be like that.
I was macking waves so hard this weekend. It was like 10 foot double overhead. I was fucking flaring. Oh, cut back. I was in the barrel all day, all weekend. All weekend I was in the barrel.